Ante la duda, la lengua muda. If in doubt, hold your tongue. And that's just what I'll be doing as I hand over to Lola to show me this typical local staple of llengua and taperas, tongue with capers. Mallorcan, born and bred, former restaurant owner, so absolute authenticity and expertise guaranteed.
Una receta muy mallorquina.
Typical Mallorcan recipe. As you can see, it's really tender, cooked in a lovely sauce. This one's pork tongue. So for today's masterclass, we're off to a quiet spot at the foot of the Galatzó mountain. Ingredients for the two of us: 3 pork tongues. Veal tongues are equally common, but much larger, so sometimes impractical. 3 types of pepper, a tiny bit of chili pepper, nothing to blow your head off though. Spanish dishes are always mildly spiced. Pimentón dulce, mild Spanish pepper powder, sweet paprika works too, and regular black pepper. These are the all-important capers. So Lola is going to simmer the tongue in just water with half an onion, bay and thyme, and a few cloves of garlic. The carrot here will be used as a sauce thickener later on. She tells me to finely dice the other half onion and to grate 3 tomatoes. And to chop 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, all very finely. ¿Qué hacemos ahora, Lola?
Vamos a preparar la cazuela para hacer el sofrito con un aceite generoso de oliva.
Now she pours out a generous puddle of olive oil and starts to gently cook the onion. Adding salt to help the onion sweat down. And the tongue simmers like this for an hour and a half. After a few minutes, she adds garlic to the onion, allowing them to get to know each other for 5 minutes. And then a tiny piece of hot pepper, completely optional. A bay leaf. Along with a teaspoon of pimentón powder. A quick stir and the tomato goes straight on top, otherwise the pimentón is liable to burn. All this will take a good 20 minutes to cook well and reduce down.
Una vegada que tenim el fondo per fer la llengua ben potxadet, hi posarem el vi que se redueixi.
Once well done, the wine is added and allowed to reduce down by about a half.
Més, que quedi ben maridat tot i ara deixarem que s'evapori l'alcohol.
Once the tongues are ready, they need to be peeled with a knife like so.
Es importante pelarlas.
A ver, en los restaurantes yo creo que no las pelan, quitan la parte de aquí, la punta no las pelan.
And then cut into thin slices. The slices are stirred into the vegetable base, known as the sofrito, and moistened with a good splash of the cooking liquid to loosen the sauce.
Esto ya está tomando cuerpo. No, la zanahoria. Chafándola.
Mash up the carrot and stir it into the sauce. And the capers go in at this point as well. A final 5 minutes at a gentle simmer to merge all the flavors. Y listo. Done. Otra vez. Now this is one of those dishes that's best eaten the next day. Let's see how we did. ¿Cómo ha quedado?
Delicioso.
Delicious.
Super jugoso,
Very juicy.
super tierno.
Really tender.
Mel.
Like honey.
Mel en tapes.
Honey with capers.
Bon profit.
Bon profit. Please do subscribe to Pete's Pans for twice weekly updates on my culinary travels around the provinces. Hasta pronto.